Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch me make this hit. Hey YouTube, how you guys doing today? What's up, my name is Louise and gents. You know, I have been gone for like 50 years and I apologize. I've been having a lot going on, okay? So as you can see, I'm in a different setting today. Yeah, I don't have a natural hair video today, but my hair is being conditioned at the moment. Oh shoot. We're working on it. But I did get a new apartment. She alright for my first apartment, but I'm gonna get it onto all of that. Maybe I'll like go into detail or whatever. But today I'm gonna do like a cooking video, a cook with me video, okay? Cause it's lit. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let me move this out. So, and today in Nana Love's kitchen, in my kitchen, can't believe I'm saying that. But today I'll be making some chicken. I don't exactly know what I'm doing, but we're trying because I'm living on my own and I have to cook. I have to eat, okay? I have to eat something. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Yeah. I'm gonna get a pot. Cause I'll be making some baked beans right here. Some vegetarian baked beans, all right? Gonna set these out. And then for my chicken, is I'm on I did not use curse. Nobody heard that. But for my chicken, I'll just be eating 4 because it's just me. I ain't feeding for nobody. I ain't eat. Is that a spider? I think that's a dead spider. Anyway, I'll be cooking for myself. So yeah, I already started the oven. I preheated the oven to 400 degrees. Okay, 400 degrees and it's okay. Now I'm gonna get the seasoning. So because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. All right. So I got some chicken seasoning. Got some black pepper. I do got some seasoned salt. You know, I'm black, so I gotta have seasoned salt. You know, that's a must. Let me know if you guys like a tour of my apartment. I'm not really sure if I want to do that. People are very weird. But I'll have other videos for you guys, that's for sure. I've just been busy moving in and just trying to figure out my life. Had a lot going on, you know, like life just happens. So I'm just gonna go ahead and season this. I'm gonna try to show you guys. So I'm just gonna evenly do my best to season the chicken. I will be baking my chicken. We're going to put it in the oven. We're not frying it. We're gonna be healthy today. It's gonna flip her around. I did put some olive oil in here, but I don't think that was a good idea because the seasoning look like it's coming off the chicken. Well, we gonna see what happens here. Trial and error. that was the seasoned salt, and now gotta wash my hands. Don't want to touch raw chicken, and then yeah. I'm gonna open this one next. Next, one minute. And actually, I probably should have got like a bag. Okay, so we're gonna take some pepper. Don't want too much of this one. Low. I hope I'm doing this right. I hope I'm doing this right. Flying around. But yeah, I just been busy with life, you know. Been really busy. I got a lot going on, so it's been kind of difficult to like record. I don't record everything in my life, you know. I don't believe in doing that. You think I should just use the seasoned salt? I feel like if I do chicken season, it might be too much. I cannot get this open. I'm gonna try it. If it's too much, well, I know next time not to do it. Gotta clean this stuff off. There's nothing coming out here. I'm gonna just like rub it around. Get it all in there. Get it all in there, you know. Make sure all the seasons is in there. Now you always want to make sure you wash your hands when dealing with chicken. You know what would have been a good idea? I should have put this in a plastic bag and shook up the chicken and then did the seasoning. That's okay, we learning. I feel like my chicken about to be over seasoned. This is really about to be. But we got this, we gonna make it boom with that book. Okay, so am I supposed to put foil over this? Oh, this bug. Get the heck out of here. Okay. Now next, I'm gonna go get some foil and cover it. Low, I hope I can give this chicken justice. I really hope that I did this right. I look at this. It's not. As long as it's cooked. I just pray that it's cooked all the way through. Amen. Amen. It's cooking with not enough love. Everything will not be perfect. Trial and error. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. And now we're gonna watch that bake. All right, we're gonna close it up. Yeah. And I gotta clean off all this stuff because I touched chicken and then touched the bottle. So now it's gotta clean up. Lord, I just pray that my chicken come out nicely. Amen. 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 So it says 35 to 45 minutes. So I'm gonna start my little timer. Okay, so the timer is started. So now I'm about to cook the baked beans. Okay, I'm gonna have some baked beans and then I'm gonna have me a little salad or whatever because you gotta have your little vegetables or whatever. So yeah. I need to clean up though because I was touching chicken. So clean up. Everybody do your shit. Clean up. Everybody do your shit. So I'm praying and hoping that my chicken tastes fine, you know. I'm hoping it tastes good. I probably should have seasoned it a little differently. I thought about that after the fact, but it's okay. Okay. I'll get it together. That's all right. Okay, so now I'm gonna open up my baked beans, okay? Where's my can opener? I like to get the vegetarian ones because I don't like pork. I don't eat pork, so yeah. I eat chicken though. I love chicken. Yeah, so guys, I've just been gone. Just trying to figure out life, you know. Just trying to get it together or whatever. Yeah, I've just been trying to get stuff together for myself. I'm really trying to figure out how I can post videos, you know, and also work on my art. No, what was that? Yeah, if you want a tour of my apartment, let me know. Just don't be no creeps, all right? Because I don't have time for that. And now I'm about to salt it. We're gonna put it on a low fire. Put it on a low fire. Yeah. Alright, so I'm basically just waiting for that to cook. Yeah. I mean, but by far, you know, it's cool living alone, I guess. I feel more motivated to do things because I have to do this I have to do things because I gotta pay bills now. So, I mean, I've been paying bills, but I gotta pay big bills, you know. But that's okay. That's okay. We do this for self-growth. We do this for self-growth. Skin glowing. But yeah. You know, at first, it felt a bit weird living by myself. The first night was a little rough. I ain't gonna lie. I was like, it's too quiet in here. And, you know, I'm used to hearing people around me or whatever. I'm used to, like, loud neighbors. Used to my dad, like, just coming in my room and talking to me. So I won't lie, I miss home. But anyway, my retainer. I miss home, but I realized, like, I like having my own space too. Like, it's nice. So yeah, it was weird at first, but I'm getting used to it. I just do things to occupy myself, occupy my time, and just, ooh, these bugs. But yeah, I just do what I can to occupy my time. Make sure I take care of myself, you know, make sure I eat when I need to eat, because I need to eat something. Like, I can't just not eat nothing. Like, can't do that, boo-boo. All right, can't do that. But that's basically an update. I definitely possibly might do a tour. Y'all gotta let me know though, because I don't know. But anyway, I'll be back when the stuff is almost done. I'm gonna show you what it came out to look like. Trial and error. Okay, trial and error. It's getting there. It smells nice. I'm just hoping it's cooking. It look like it's cooking. So we gonna see about that. And my beans right there. Okay, so guys, this is what my chicken looking like. Yeah. I'm hoping she good. I'm hoping it's good. And then I got my little baked beans. So baked beans and chicken. That's what I'm gonna have for tonight, you know. So I'm gonna keep it simple or whatever, you know. If you guys would like to see an apartment tour, let me know. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and make my little plate and I'm about to eat. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Deuces. Like, comment, and subscribe, my nana lovelies and gents. So, what's up, my nana lovelies and gents? Welcome to another video. Ay, I told you I was lit. Ay, I told you I won't quit. Ay, watch you make this hit.